This is what receiving mode feels like. It's calm, it's centered, it's available, because you just biologically flipped the safety switch back on. So when that sneaky thought pops up, like, ooh, why isn't this working for me yet? Gently catch it and pivot. Replace it with something like, I wonder what kind of preparation is happening behind the scenes right now.
Anytime you catch yourself trying to overmanage your energy, your schedule, the universe's timeline, just take one deep breath, use that physiological sigh, and affirm. I'm not manifesting through control. I'm manifesting through connection. Alignment isn't something you have to rigidly maintain. It's a state you simply allow yourself to return to.
To really anchor this feeling, this embodied sense of receptive safety deep into your system, guided visualization.
Yeah, this is designed to make that feeling of allowing really tangible, really physical. It helps integrate the understanding we've built.
So find a place where you can settle in again. Get comfortable. If it feels right and it's safe for you, gently close your eyes. Or you can just soften your gaze, maybe resting it on a point nearby that isn't too distracting.
Okay, let's start with a nice, slow, deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale this time through your mouth, really imagine you're setting down a heavy weight, the weight of every expectation, every deadline, every single thought that doesn't serve this state of ease right now. Just let it go.
The little muscles in your face soften, release any grip in your hands, allow your body to feel fully supported by the surface beneath you. Just sink in.
Step 1, entering the scene. Now, begin to visualize. Imagine yourself standing gently, easily, at the base of a beautiful golden waterfall.
The light here isn't harsh. It's soft and warm, maybe like a sunrise. It shimmers with pure, effortless abundance. And the sound, it's not overwhelming. It's a steady, soothing rhythm. Like the endless, peaceful breath of the earth, constant flow.
Notice the gentle, cool mist from the waterfall on your skin. Perhaps you feel smooth, cool stone beneath your bare feet, grounding you. This entire space feels utterly safe, utterly present. This is the place where everything you've ever asked for has already gathered, just waiting for you to be available to receive it.
Step 2, letting go of resistance. Take another slow, easy breath in. And as you exhale this time, really focus on releasing any tiny bits of tension you might still be holding on to. Maybe in your brow, your stomach, tension you didn't even realize was there. Just let it melt away. Let your hands uncurl naturally. Let your shoulders drop down.
Now visualize that warm golden water beginning to cascade gently over the top of your head. Feel it flowing down your body. It's warm, comforting, washing away any lingering energy of striving or rushing. Feel it flow down your back over your shoulders.
Allow your whole body to become completely open to this gentle flow. You don't need to brace against it or defend yourself. You're simply allowing this beautiful light to permeate your being.
Step 3, the flow of receiving. Imagine that every single drop of this golden light represents something wonderful flowing to you. Clarity, love, well-being, inspiration, opportunity, flowing effortlessly. These energies recognize you now because you've become available, you've softened.
There's absolutely no need to reach up or grasp or grab at this water. Just simply open your palms facing upward slightly and just let it pour through you effortlessly. Feel that warmth filling your heart space, expanding outwards through your chest, feeling your capacity for joy and acceptance just naturally growing.
Feel this golden light flowing down your arms now, all the way through your fingertips. Feel every cell in your body lighting up with this simple, profound understanding. I don't have to chase anything. It has always been flowing toward me. Now I'm just letting it in.
Step 4, integration. Take one more deep, anchoring breath now. Feel that golden light not just flowing over you, but feel it settling inside you, a quiet, warm resonance deep within your core.
And now, softly in your mind, or perhaps whispering aloud if you like, just affirm these simple truths.
I allow it to be easy.
I allow what's ready for me to reach me now.
I am safe to receive.
Just let those words gently sync up with your own quiet, steady heartbeat. Feel the truth of it. Receiving is your natural state. It's your easy, inherent rhythm.
Step 5, returning. Now, very gently, begin to bring your awareness back to the physical sensations in the room. Notice any sounds around you again. Feel the solid support of the floor or the chair beneath you. Know that this golden light, this feeling of receptive calm, stays with you. It's a quiet hum of safety within.
Take one final, conscious inhale, breathing in gratitude for this moment, this reset, this connection.
And as you exhale, let go of anything else that no longer fits this clear, tuned-in frequency you've just established. Any lingering tension, any doubt, just let it drift away. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes.
Just remember that feeling. You weren't waiting for your desires to show up out of nowhere. You simply allowed yourself, your whole system, to recognize them and neurologically to accept them as safe and available.